In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date picker in Google Sheets. If you've ever had people type dates in different formats or make typos, a built-in date picker can save you time and prevent mistakes. We'll set it up using Google Sheets' data validation tool, and it only takes a moment on a desktop browser. Start by opening your Google Sheet in a desktop browser where you can edit the file. The date picker is configured on desktop, so make sure you're not in a mobile app for this setup. Once your sheet is open, decide exactly where you want people to pick a date. Click a single cell if you only need one, or select a range if you want the date picker on multiple cells at once. You can also select an entire column by clicking the column letter at the top. If your column has a header, consider selecting only the rows below it so the header stays as plain text. Next, go to the top of the screen and click the Data menu. From that drop-down, choose Data Validation. This opens Google Sheets validation settings, where you'll define what kind of data the cells should accept. In the Criteria section, choose Date. This tells Sheets that any entry in the selected cells must be a valid calendar date. If you need more control, you can refine it with a date restriction, such as allowing only dates before or after a certain day, or even between two specific dates. This is helpful for things like event schedules, deadlines, or time-bound forms where the date must fall within a particular window. Once you've set the criteria the way you want, click Save. That's it. When you click on any of the cells you selected, you'll see a small calendar icon appear. Click the icon to open the date picker, then simply choose a date. Google Sheets will insert it in the correct date format for your locale, and because you set the validation, it prevents invalid entries. If you selected a whole range or an entire column, the date picker will be available in all of those cells too. To recap, you opened your sheet on desktop, selected the cells, went to Data, chose Data Validation, set the criteria to date with any needed restrictions, and saved. From now on, clicking those cells gives you a clean, consistent calendar picker, making data entry faster and more reliable. If you ever want to adjust the rules, just return to the data validation settings and update them.